Good day viewers, you are welcome. How to solve these nice radical equations? We have the square root of a minus 5 plus the square root of a plus 5 equals 10. How can we find the value of a? You can pause this video and give it a try. Let's consider a step-by-step solution to this. So the first thing is to make this very simple. Suppose I try to let this with another letter. Let's say I have x to be equals square root of a minus 5, and with this it implies that x squared equals a minus 5, and if I let y equals square root of a plus 5, this also implies that y equals a plus 5. So since these two have been gotten, if I add the two together, that is x plus y, so this will be equals 10. So by squaring both sides, we have x squared, x plus y squared equals 10 squared, and this is like multiply this in two different times, and we have x plus y multiplied by x plus y equals 100. So this and this gives x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals 100. But from here, x squared is given as a minus 5 and y squared is given as a plus 5. By replacing the two, we have a minus 5 plus y squared is a plus 5, then plus 2 multiplied by square root of a minus 5 multiplied by square root of a plus 5 equals 100. If you have minus 5 cancelled plus 5, and this gives us 2a plus 2 open bracket, we have square root of 5, a minus 5, and square root of a plus 5. If I take only one square root, I'm going to multiply this together, which is a minus 5 multiplied by a plus 5, and all in bracket equals 100. So with this, if I divide both sides by 2, so this cancelled and this also cancelled, this reduced to 50. So 2 cancel 2, 2 cancel 2. So here we have a plus open bracket, we have square root of, this is like difference of 2 squared, a multiplied by a gives us a squared minus 5 multiplied by 5, this gives us 25 in bracket equals 50. And let's say I take this a to other side, we are going to have square root of a squared minus 25 equals 50 minus a. But we have to note that 50 minus a is either greater than or equals to 0. So since we know that this thing is non-negative, let's try to take the square root of both sides, the square of both sides. By squaring both sides, we have square root of a squared minus 25 all raised to the power of 2 equals 50 minus a all raised to the power of 2. So with square and square root cancelled, we have a squared minus 25 equals, we multiply this in 2 times, that is 50 minus a multiplied by 50 minus a. And next we have a squared minus 25 equals, have 50 squared minus 50 times a, that is 2 into bracket of 50a plus a squared. So this is a squared, this is a squared. If I take this a squared to this side, we have a squared minus a squared. The minus 25 equals 50 squared minus 100a. These two cancelled. So suppose I take this minus 100a to this side, we have it as 100a equals, I take this 25 to the other side, and this is 50 squared. 50 squared is given as 2,500, then plus 25. So we have 100a equals 2525. So if I divide both sides by 100, so divide both sides by 100, this cancels this, and then we have a equals, so if I try to break this thing down, we get 101 divided by 4. So if this is the value of a, we are going to put a quick check if it really satisfies the given questions. So this is the given questions, and we want to put a check if a equals 101 divided by 4. So to check for this one, which is a minus 5, this will be equals to the square root of 101 over 4 minus 5 divided by 1. So by multiplying 4 with 5, we have the square root of 101 minus 20 divided by 4. And this equals, suppose I subtract this from each other, so this gives us 81 divided by 4. So we have square root of 81, that is 9, and square root of 4, that is 2. The whole of square root of a minus 5, it gives us 9 over 2. And again, so let's check for a plus 5, and that is square root of 101 divided by 4 plus 5 over 1. So this equals square root of 101 plus 20 divided by 4. So we have square root of 101 plus 20 is 121 over 4. And by taking the square root of 121, that gives us 11. Square root of 4 gives us 2. So we have to add the two together. So since square root of a minus 5, it gives us 9 over 2. Then plus square root of a plus 5 gives us 11 over 2. So the LCM here is 2. And 9 plus 11 gives us 20. So 20 divided by 2, that gives us 10. So fortunately, we get 10. Therefore, the value of a that satisfies this problem is given as 101 divided by 2. So this is how to solve this problem step by step. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.